Yeah, tell me.
Pooja Naik has done an allegation regarding one cabinet minister involved in the job scam.
So
what do you like to say?
Why are you asking me?
No, so you are the one of the
Why
one
are you
of
asking me?
I'm simply asking you,
No,
sir.
so don't ask me. No? Don't ask me. Ask her only. No. Why are you asking me?
So one time you also have done.
She has made allegation. You ask her only. No. Why are you asking me? What I am supposed to answer
because
about?
Because one time you also bought PWD scam. Light.
See what had happened that time about PWD. Whatever I had issued a statement that time, I stand by my statement. And that jobs also basically was terminated. I mean to say it was scrapped. So there is a question of anything this thing about that.
सर आनी किशोर उत्पल बरेकरान म्हटला इनलिगल स्पास सर मात इनलिगल स्पास चलता म्हटला तेणी पणजेन खूबशे
कोण चलयता हांव चलयता
ना मात पणजेन
चलयता So why you are asking stupid question? Go and ask this to the municipality here. Go.
But municipality should investigate, no?
Investigate what?
That illegal spa.
Come in front here. Where you standing?
Sir, illegal spas is there, no? Municipality should
investigate what? I know. I have seen one thing of our president. He made some phone call and all this thing. I think it was most stupidity and most cheap thing anyone can take. Basically, try to take advantage of such a this thing. Try to take a mileage of political mileage out of.